Hello everyone. Lecture number 6 of number system. These are some outlines of lecture number 6. First outline is the BCD code. Second one XS3 code. Third one gray code. And fourth one is the ASCII code. We already studied in lecture number 5th BCD code. What is the meaning of BCD code? BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. Used to represent the decimal digit 0 to 9. BCD code used to represent decimal digit 0 to 9. 4 bits are used to represent BCD code. Each bit position has a weight associated with its weighted code. Weights are 8, 4, 2 and 1 from MSB to LSB. These are the BCD codes. 0 is represented in BCD codes are 0000. Ones are represented in BCD code are 0001. 2 represented as 0010. 3 represented as 0011. 4 0100, 5th 0101, 6th 0110, 7 is represented as 0111, 8 is represented as 1000, 9 is represented as 1001. See here, in weightage of BCD codes or regular binary codes are represented as 1, 2, 4, 8 from LSB to MSB. Used to encode numbers for output to numerical display. Used in processors that perform decimal arithmetic. For example, this is the given BCD code. Given BCD code is the 9750. 9 is nothing but 1001. It is right here 1001. 7 is nothing but 0111. This one is the 7. 7 is nothing but 0111. 5 is nothing but 0101. This one is the 5 0101. And 0 is nothing but binary is the 000. And this decimal number is converted into BCD. Now XS3 code. XS3 code derived from BCD code by adding 3. XS3 code is generated in BCD code by adding 3. Now some examples of this XS3 code. Convert the following decimal numbers in XS3 code. Convert the following decimal numbers converted into the XS3 code. See here, first example is the 5 number and second one is the 37 number. This 10 is nothing but decimal. This 10 is also nothing but decimal. Look here, the given number is 5. 5 is converted into the BCD is the 0101. 5 is converted into decimal is the 0101. Look here, 5 is converted into decimal is the 0101. So here write as the 0101. Then add 3. 3 is nothing but 0011. Here this one is the 5 and this one is the 3. Adding both numbers, 1 plus 1 is nothing but sum 0 with carry 1. This 1 plus 1 is sum 0 with carry 1. This 1 plus 1 sum 0 with carry 1. And 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. This is the XS3 code. Now the second example is the 37. These 37s are first number is converted into the BCD code. How it is converted into the BCD code? This 3 is converted into BCD is the 0011 and 7 is converted into the 0111. Now this is the BCD number 0. 0011 is the BCD number and 0111 is also the BCD number. In this BCD number, adding 3 of each bit. Here adding 3 in each bit. Look here. Here add 3 and here is also add 3. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 sum 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the sum 1 with carry 1. And this 1 plus 1 is sum 0 with carry 1. This one is the wrong. Here write 0. Look here, 0011 011 plus 0011 0011. Look here, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 with sum 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. This one is the 0 with carry 1. This one is the 0 with carry 1 and this one is as it is. Now this 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 this carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 1 with carry 1. This one as it is and this is the final answer. Now I am taking another example of excess 3 code. This is the 3 5 is the given BCD code. 3 is represented 3 and this one is the 5. This 3 is nothing but 0 0 1 1. 5 is nothing but 0 1 0 1. How now this 3 is nothing but 0 0 1 0. 5 is nothing but 0 1 0 1. Then add plus 3 to get excess 3 code. So this is one is the 0 0 1 1 and this one is also 0 0 1 1. So 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. This one is the 1 and this one is the 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 1 with carry 1 and this one is the 1 and this one is the 0. So look here, this number is 8 and this number is 6. So excess 3 code is nothing but 5 is converted into the excess 3 code. Now ASCII code. Third code method is the ASCII code. ASCII has 128 characters and symbols represented by a 7-bit binary code. It can be considered an 8-bit code with the MSB always 0. 00 is to 7FH. Now look here, these are some ASCII related theoretical part. In ASCII there are the 00H. H is nothing but hexadecimal. These characters are present and these characters are called as the control characters and graphic symbols are the 20H to 7FH can be printed or displayed. See here, these are the ASCII characters. These are some ASCII characters used by the international. These are some ASCII character is used for the computer methods. These are some A, B in your computer screen or laptop. This is the keyboard A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are some characters. These are some options and these are some use methods used for the keyboard purpose or ASCII purpose and this is called as the ASCII. Now the last code method is the gray code method. This is the gray code is unweighted and is not an arithmetic code. There are no specific weights assigned to the bit. Important that the gray code exhibits only a single bit change from one code and word to the next in sequence. This is the important definitions related to the gray code for the generation of gray code. Again I am repeat, the gray code exhibits only a single bit change from one code word to the next in sequence. This property is important in many applications such as shift position encoder or shift positions encoder. Now, these are some examples related to the gray code. The first method of gray code is the binary to gray code conversion method. First method is the binary to gray code conversion method. These are some steps used by the binary to gray conversion method. The MSB in the gray code is the same as corresponding MSB in the binary number. The MSB in the gray code is same as the corresponding MSB in the binary number. See here, this is the example. This is the binary number. This one is the binary number. This binary number is converted into gray code. This one is the MSB bit, and this is the LSB bit. These MSB of the binary and MSB of the gray both are same. This is the binary number. This binary number MSB and gray number MSB. Binary number MSB and gray number MSB are the same. Binary number MSB and gray number MSB both are same. In second step is the going from left to right. This is the left to right. Add each adjacent pair of binary codes bits to get the next gray code bit. From left to right, add. This is the adding method. 1 add with 0, answer is 1, because MSB of the binary and MSB of the gray both are same. This 1 added with 0, then the answer is 1. This 0 added with 1, answer is 1. This 1 added with 0, answer is 0, because here discard the carries. And this 1 added with 0, answer is 1. Again I am repeat, here the 1 binary MSB is same as the gray MSB, so write as it is. This 1 added with 0, then answer is 1. This 0 added with 1, then answer is 1. Then again this 1 added with 1, the sum 0 carry 1, but here see this point discard carry will be discard, and this 1 added with 0, answer is 1. Now I am taking second example. See, I am take example 1011 for conversion of binary to gray. Look here, this one as it is. This is the MSB. So as it is, this is the binary number and this one is the gray number. So binary MSB bit same as gray MSB bit. So write here 1 as it is. This 1 adding with this 1 adding with 0, answer is 1. Then this 0 adding with 1, then answer is 0 adding with 1. 0 adding with 1, answer is 1. And this 1 adding with 1, answer is 0, because sum 0 and carry 1. Now, second method is the gray to binary conversion. These are some steps used for gray to binary conversion. The MSB in the binary code is the same as the corresponding bit in the gray code. Add each binary code bit generated to the gray code bit in the next adjacent positions and discard the carries. This is the given gray code number. These gray code numbers are converted into the binary. How it is converted into the binary? Look here. I am taking this example 1 1. I am taking the example I am taking example 1110. So MSB is as it is. This method is the gray to binary. One is as it is. This one is as it is. So this one XOR with this position. This method is different. This one is XOR with this one. So answer is 0 because 1 plus 1 having a sum 0 with carry 1 and carry is discarded. Then this 0 is again XORing with these terms. So here the 0 is 0 XOR adding with 1, answer is 1. Then this 1 XOR with or adding with 0, then answer is 1. So final answer is this. This one is the gray number and this one is the binary number. Again I am taking example 1 0 1 0. Look here, this is the 1 0 1 0. This one taking as this one is the gray number. Gray number is converted into binary number. This one as it is. This one is adding with this 0. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Then this 1 is adding with this one, then the sum is 0 and carry is 1, but carry is discarded. And now this 0 is adding with 1, then 0 plus 0 is answer is 0. So 1010 converted into this is the gray code and binary code is the 1100. 1100. These are some tables to conversion of binary to gray. This is used for your practice purpose. First converted binary number into the gray number and answer is this binary number is converted into the gray number. If the answer is right, then your final answer is also right.